Flares versus air flares, which is the hardest one? Short answer, usually air flares are harder to learn but easier to maintain, while flares are easier to learn but harder to maintain. Why that? Because air flare is a very complex movement, while flare is not that complex, but it relies more on strength. So if you don't have enough strength, it will be very body demanding. Long answer, it really depends on how you execute both moves, especially the air flare, because the air flares can be executed in different body angles. If you stay vertical, it will be lighter, because it's kind of like comparing a handstand position to a planche position, where the air flare is more similar to a handstand, straight and vertical, and the flare is going to be more like a planche. But the lower you go with your hips while the air flare, the harder it will be. And also the more similar to a flare it will be. I'm going to show you one example of a flare and of an air flare, just one round, and look at my hips. During flare, as you will see now, my hips stay kind of low. So it's more similar like a L-sit or a V-sit work, kind of like this, okay? Or like a planche in the back, like this. Now I'm gonna show you one air flare where my body angle is way higher and it's more similar to a handstand, almost. A little lower than a handstand, but still way easier to maintain than a flare. So as you could see, in the flare my hips are here, in the air flare my hips are kinda there, okay? If I stay more vertical in an air flare, it will be even easier. It's also true that it depends from your mobility, because the more vertical you are in an air flare, the less strength you will need, but the more shoulder flexion mobility you will need. In my air flare, kinda like 45 degrees off the floor, I don't need so much shoulder mobility. I just open my arms in this way. But if I wanna stay more vertical, I would need more like kinda like a bridge or a hollow back shoulder mobility. That for some people, it may be harder, like in my case, for example, but for some other people, especially kids and girls, it will be easier. So this was kind of a popular question that I always get, flares versus air flares, which is the hardest one. I hope I answered your question. If you have more questions, let me know in the comments down below, and see you next time in a new video. Yo ninjas!